We're just around the Broadwater. Trying to throw a few plastics and get some flathead action, and Liv hooked onto a nice flathead. Had it near the boat, but it spat the hook, which was a little bit unfortunate. It's a good fish, Liv, eh?
Yeah, show the soft plastic it takes.
So we're just going to try and go around the island and see if we can get in a bit closer.
So how are we going to get it over the boat here, Paul? Just keep his teeth away from your...
I don't know, man, but he's got big chompers and I don't want them to be part of me.
Yeah. So I reckon over there...
Did you see him before when he came up and he bit the freaking step that I'm standing on?
And held on to the...
And held on to it?
And held on to the step.
Mate, if that was your toe...
Oh, your toe's pretty close, just be careful. Jesus. Oh. All right.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming. All right, scissors. Oh shit.
Go on anyhow.
Oh,
break off.
Thank God.
So, out camping in the boat on the Broadwater. Liv's preparing up a nice meal for us to have, and as you can see, we've got the barbie going. So we're pretty well set up here, having an adventure. We've had a good night. It's been a really good night. It's been fun. We've caught species I've never even seen before. We caught about an eel that was about or it had to be, what, 1.5 meters?
Yeah.
1.5 meters long. We've caught catfish, numerous ones. They fight really well. They don't look too good and they're quite slimy, which is pretty disgusting, but it doesn't make you want to take them home and eat them. Not sure what they're like to eat. They're probably good, who knows. Some little bream, a couple of muddies. So nothing that we really want. What we really want is flathead and a big dewy. It'd be nice to come through here and take the bait, but nothing like that yet, but still having a lot of fun.
Got your favourite fish that you've caught?
Yeah, the eel skis.
Is he wrapped up or?
Oh, I don't know. He's not wrapped up. He's just eating it. And now I've got to deal with him somehow.
Good luck.
So, been out overnight, slept in the boat, and Liv's just gone up and got us a coffee, which was pretty much a priority this morning. Pretty cool, you can pull up on the sand, go and buy a coffee, and then go back into the boat and go fishing more. The only drawback about the Gold Coast is the traffic in the water. So many boats. Hello, mate. Want a prawny? You want a white bait? You're very close now, aren't you? Oh, here they come. All three of them. Which block do you want to buy? There's that one with the boat ramp.
I reckon this way.
Or there's that one with the trees. Or there's this vacant block ready to be developed with its own jetty and mooring. That'd be alright, eh?
Yeah.
Never go to work. That would be a problem for some.